Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. I'm your host Sipho Khatebe. Ngiphethe uDimen la namhlanje. Dimen uGrand.
Sharp kunjani?
Ngichaza le out isajabuleli cup.
Hayi. Pick up.
Uphuza ngani di? Ngecup lasendlini or ngeNedbank Cup?
Angiliphuze. Ayde bathethu ipakani.
Oh ipakani. Alright mfethu. No man, sad news for amaBuccaneers man. Coach Van Dijk bekwi last game. Your thoughts? Ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngabe uqedelelile. What do you think happened ukuthi ahambe eli kangaka mfethu?
Actually angazi ukuthi wayava early but ke yeah ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama game asela wekhopaya and then bengangaqedela ucoach yabo unless if mhlambe khona umuntu esebanayo ukuthi uye bafuna ukuqala naye ukuthi aziprepare for next season or sebafuna ukuprepare next season kungaba yi reason mhlambe engavayisa ucoach leyo so early but ke so far mina bengingayibona reason ukuthi ucoach angavaya.
Yeah, but overall nje ungathini ngo Rivero mfethu isponsor kasithunile.
Yeah, usithunile mfethu yazi uRivero wenze iPirates yaba ile ya team leyo ngikhumbuze there were those moments bathi fake moment.
Oh yeah,
Manchester United.
Yes.
So mina iPirates engiyaziyo ngazi iPirates ama last 75 minutes. Yabona le last 15 minutes nge75 ukuyalena that's when ngitsho ukuthi iPirates ekhona. iPirates can score 4-5 goals from ngaleso sikhathi leso. So bekuyistyle sakhe yeah wena yena wenze ibukwayo eMzansi.
Yeah, no asimbongela simbongela. So in terms of e-league mfethu besibheke lapha i-table nama fixtures. What do you think mfethu ngePirates and the Sundowns? Because the fans are still saying iliga ikavaya.
No, abantu abathi iliga ikavaya uthanda mina bebayifele met dismal out. I speculating. So already it is 67 Sundowns, right?
Yeah.
So that means iPirates esalelwe 12 points. If uthatha i12 points ifaka kuma points abanawo manje ibayisa ku 67 I think now and then goal difference. There is no way ukuthi kuzenzeka into ze power line ukushawa ama 24 nil ukuya le nama game ay4 it's not going to happen now time. Dali league yavaya.
So what do you think going forward iPirates into ekumele yenze ku maintain standards sabo no improve nje as a team because I don't think ama fans azofuna ukuqala phansi mhlawumbe ucoach ozayo yini into ocabanga ukuthi kumele ayenze nje makafika kuPirates?
Kuzoba difficult for ucoach ozayo ukuthi azongena ecasulweni zaka Rivero because of I wanna ama mistake ayenzwa amanye ama coach ukuthi akafuna ukufika aqhubeke nga whatever lo coach ohambile bekayenza even if noma ngabe be right kangakanani. So most coaches bafuna ukufika baqhaqha everything. So if mina bebathi nginikeze opportunity ngafika ngibheka ukuthi yini le coach ebekafuna ukuyenza even if noma ngifuna ukuza ngento yami then but ngiqale ngisebenzise le nto le ngilungu ngishintsha kancane ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngiimplement whatever le ngifuna ukuyifaka. But most coaches bafike nje sebaqhaqha yonke into yabona enenani nokuthi ke futhi kuyabona if kuzu coach omusha nama player abe wangadlali anale nto le ayithemba lokuthi at least sizothola ama game time na so ama challenges ucoach omusha uzobhekana nayo.
Yeah, no kuyazwakala mfethu. So going to igame namhlanje the way badlale ngakhona do you think sending off a grand lena
ba choose igame wrong. I mean I'm not a fan of iPirates neArrows mfethu. Angathanda ama game ePirates neArrows because akuna lange ngabukeli iArrows khona idlala into enengqondo isha iPirates ayenzeki la iding. So a stage lama game lawa mfethu uzibonele now ngibabaleka ne clean sheet ka goalkeeper isikhathi 3-0 eze iArrows sifuna ukumkora futhi ugoalkeeper
yazwakala. So ucabanga ukuthi bekumele ngabe sending off injani mfethu for coach achieve so much eteamini?
Send off ibhlungu time akunandlela ukuthi mhlambe singathi okay kumele like so okay yes 3-0 but ke they chose the game like wrong mina I don't feel like ukuthi game right le bayisebenzisile iArrows ukuthi like ba send off at least if mhlambe kutholakala igame nyane ngathi izoba entertaining. There was nothing entertaining yabona namanje kumele ngabe sikhuluma ngegame yeArrows maybe siya point ubani nobani besides the free kick. I think he send off. That was marvelous. But besides that, there was nothing special. Okay, nano guchige urile wenze adume ngazo and then amavala shawi goal easy like amagoli ayi2 nje kuphela ngathi ngobona amahle mina.
All right. Yeah, no I think mfethu that's enough for today mfethu. Singaze siyimoshe yabo. Yeah, but to amaBuccaneers bafethu hard luck coach. Thank you so much Rivero. silethela ama-youngsters it's rare sibona ucoach aza nama-youngsters perform the way abonkotha bebadlala ngakhona aborele and the others bafethu so fake so much to South African football and bese kukudala sigcina ubona iPirates igcwala i-stadium and iba competitive yabo so siyabonga kuJose bafethu siyamushela ukuthi la yakhona ngathi anga succeed more angazi mfisa amagama okugcina nawo wena.
Yeah, no. Yabona mentioned something regarding ama youngsters. I'm gonna nyintwana ayivezile bathi uNdlozi. Ngibone ingishayela right back enye top. Yeah, the fact nje ukuthi ufake confidence kule ntwana lezi ezincane zikwazi ukuthi zenza something and the good thing ngayo ukuthi a South African player, so that means ibafana i-future is bright.
Alright mfethu. So in closing nje mfethu ubani ucabanga ukuthi angaba icoach right ePirates?
I mfana no one. No one. Mina ngokuya ngami they should go abroad again because ama local coaches uyothola ubunzima cabanga nje uyongena kuleza icathulo lesiya. Yabona kufana nokuba uvuma uyo replace uyitumele ngikhuni
kunzima akazwakala mfethu. Okay, that's it for tonight bafethu. Siyabonga ningakhohlwa siya subscribe la siya like bafethu nesilandele nakwamanye ama channels. Good night.